Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. That's the Maybelline brand, if you can see that. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my brows into place a little. And this is really like a tinted gel, so it's supposed to last up to 2 days. It's waterproof, transfer proof, all that, smudge proof. So it's not supposed to go anywhere for at least like 2 days, unless you like really like scrub your face to really get it off, but it's not supposed to go anywhere. So I'm just gonna start with that first. And you're supposed to start on the ends and then kind of work your way to the inner corners, I guess, to put more product so it's darker on the ends. And I'm just basically trying to draw my eyebrows like I usually do with a pencil. And of course, like, I'll go back and clean this up and everything. You always got one brow that don't act right and then the other one do. This is my problem child right here. So I eventually, you know, like clean it up and make this brow look really nice. But it's never like as easy to draw on. I don't know why. So now I'm gonna let that dry for a few seconds. So it dried just a little bit. It's still a little wet, but I'm gonna go in and kind of like blend it before it dries completely, just so it doesn't look as harsh. And I just got this like a few days ago and tried it on the other day. I really like it. Like, sometimes you don't have a lot of time to do your makeup in the morning or whenever, and so this gives your brows that little tint. So, you know, you can just touch them up in the morning real quick and do the rest of your makeup and be out the door. Alright, so that's first, and I'm just gonna let that continue drying. I'm just gonna clean up my brows a little. Pomade on one side and then a powder on the other side. I'm just gonna use the brush that came in it. And hopefully this should work. Just filling them in a little bit more. Then I'm going to take that powder and just kind of set it over the top. So that's basically it. If I didn't have on this brow tint gel, I would usually use a dark brown pencil, draw them, and then I would fill in the tips with a black, like jet black, because I just like my tips being darker. But this tint gets the job done, so I just kind of fill it in a little bit more and put that powder on there to set it, and that's it. And then let me do the other one real quick, and then I'll clean them up, and that'll be that. taking that powder and smudging it on the tips here, just to fade it out, make it look a little more natural as well. Brows are filled in. Now to clean them up. And this color is Fawn. I like Fawn. It's not too light, but it's like light enough to actually look like a highlight as well. So I use this under my eye as well, and then I use it to clean up my brows. So I just squeeze the brush. I don't use the brush when I'm really trying to like clean my eyebrows, because it's like usually I mess up and erase like half of my eyebrow. So I'm just gonna use this. This works better. So I basically just carve that line, and then I bring it all down, and then I'll blend it out later. Like, I'm trying to tell you, I really be erasing like my brow, so I gotta really concentrate. Like, I usually don't even hold no mirror either. I get like up close to my actual bathroom mirror because I really be trying to concentrate. Like, this right here is taking away one of my hands because I'm holding a mirror. Like, I feel like I just can't get as good, can't be as precise, basically. Comment below and let me know if y'all be erasing y'all whole eyebrow too, when y'all be trying to fucking draw them on and then damn clean them up and then fuck up everything. Cause I be doing that shit. Really, this one, like, I'm doing a little bit more because this tail was too thick for me. This one's kind of thick too, but I'm not cleaning the top, so I'm just going under the brow a little bit more because I don't like my tails all thick. Like, that shit look whack. Anyway, and then I'm just gonna blend everything. I blend under first. Kind of blend that out to the extra product. And I'm gonna put foundation on and everything, so even if it's not blended perfectly, it'll be covered. I do my eyebrows first now. Like, I used to do them after, but sometimes when you put on that foundation and you try to put on you try to draw your brow on, like, the foundation, it like makes it oily. So the product from your pencil or whatever you're using, your pomade, it doesn't stick as well. So I just do it on, I just put my primer on and do it on a fresh face. And then I hope that once again, I don't mess up my brow by trying to put on my foundation. The struggle. Then I'm just cleaning this one, or blending this one out. And then also while I'm blending, I'm still kind of like cleaning it up a little bit as well, using some of that product if I need to go in a little bit more, because this brush isn't going to mess anything up. And then whatever's on the brush, I just kind of do this, just blend this part out too, to make it look a little more natural, like it's a little more faded. Then I'll go back with a brush, a spoolie, brush that out a little bit more, blend it out a little bit more, until I get it, basically, until I get my brows looking how I want them. And that is that. That's how I do my brows, guys. This one looking a little, I don't know. But anyway, the cousins not sisters, whatever, not twins. What do y'all be saying? They not supposed to look the exact same. But this one over here, popping. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.